Yo, what's up?
Guys, today's the day.
We're doing something special.
I've been waiting for this day for 2 years, 2 months, and 20 days.
That's a long time.
That's a long time.
What are you waiting for?
And Brennan and I have been hearing about this for 2 years. How many days?
How many months? 2 months?
Like,
and 20 days?
2 days.
I can't believe this day's actually coming.
It's awesome. It's exciting stuff.
It's like a dream come true.
Yeah, we're gonna be going to Calgary, our neighbor city. So we're gonna fly out. We're just at the airport right now. We're going on an adventure, guys.
He's excited.
Let's go.
Guys, we're here! I can't believe it! I can't believe it. I still haven't even seen my car yet. I've never seen it before in real life. So it's gonna be my first time. I logged into the account and I could actually see the car. And it's actually already showing up on the app. And looks like I can actually control like to honk it and stuff like that.
Honk it right now, honk it.
Maybe we'll honk it inside before even seeing our car. Before even signing any papers, we can control the car.
Yo, how do you feel?
Oh my god.
That could be it.
Is that it?
That could be it right there. Sick new whip, man. Sick new whip. Oh, look at this.
I can't stop smiling.
Sick new whip. Honk it, honk it, honk it, honk it.
I guess that's it.
I guess that was
the one. I guess that's the one. Dude, I feel bad.
Why?
I feel bad.
For honking the horn?
Like the whole office could probably hear that.
You think?
Yo, even the water tastes better.
So we're just waiting for your delivery. Just a few more minutes, man. You'll get to it. Just a few more
I don't
minutes.
think I've ever been like that excited for something in my life. Look at that.
It's a milestone, man. It's a milestone.
Okay, I think we can like flash the light.
Yo, flash the lights. Let's see it. Flash the lights. Congrats, man.
Dream car. Charging point. Do you guys like this aero wheel? Gives me like 5 to 10% more efficiency, but it kind of looks a little bit silly. I think you can pull it out too. I'm gonna break my car on the first day.
Have it. Show it. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
We get some caps in here.
Yeah. Yo, I think that looks
My
nicer.
brake. I got my Tesla hotel key card.
Hotel key card. And look at that. That unlocks the car. Who needs a key when you have a card?
I think my favorite thing is gonna be lots of space.
4 to 6 person.
You can hop on. You can hop on. You'll fit in there. No engine. This is my VTEC turbo.
Be with me.
I just want to give you guys a shout out because without you guys and your support, I wouldn't be here today getting my dream car. It's just amazing. Today's like the best day of my life.
Wait, what? Not the day that you met like all of us?
That's the day you met your girlfriend and got together.
No, that day is on a different scale. It's
Nice day.
guys, let me have my moment. Jeez.
Woo! Congrats to my boy! I can't. Where am I going? I forgot how to drive. Oh my goodness. You're good. You did it!
I needed to actually like sit in this parking lot for a little while because I was driving and I was asking Brendan like, hey, open the trunk for me. I was like, how do you open the trunk? Everything is controlled from the centerpiece. So you get like the car thing, the glove box right there, and then you get control all your lights, and brightness, driving autopilot, and music. Oh, this is the cool part. My favorite part. Dude, I don't even know how to do it right now. Oh, I can feel the air below me.
Right
One-piece
here.
vent
One-piece
all
vent.
around. That's cool.
And right here.
Oh.
Fan dog.
Yo, he has
stop.
seats for everybody on hot summer days.
So hot.
It's like 30 degrees Celsius right now. We don't need.
Okay, climate,
need that.
and then we
Yeah,
need
yeah.
right there. Okay,
There you go.
so you can control. You can feel the air.
Yo, both at the same time.
Nice, multi-touch, multi-touch. Hello.
Okay,
Oh, you
let's
just wanted to say hi to your Tesla. That's all. Okay.
Hello, I love
Alright.
you. Getting some ramen before our next stop.
And of course, we need a little bit of ice cream. We're gonna make a long ride home.
We got 460 km, so plenty of range.
Making our drive home.
Okay, we just found out some sick Easter eggs.
Dude, it's like, I don't know, man. It's pretty troll. Like, I have to say, Elon Musk, that you are trolling, that's for sure.
Yeah, so on the left side here, there's like my car, and then like the other cars it detects, right? Do the reindeer.
Oh yeah, so, okay, so we're gonna go do the reindeer, and then watch this, guys. Click the reindeer. Hit ho ho ho. And the music starts playing right away.
Okay, check this out, check this out.
Okay, look at this, look at this.
That's that right there, that deer, is that car right there.
Yeah, that's that car. This is that reindeer. And like, we're the Santa sleigh. Dude, signal, signal, signal. When he signals to change lane, it bells. Like, oh what? That's too troll.
So 3 hours of driving later, we're at our supercharging station. It's my first Tesla supercharge session. So like we'll stay here for like 20 minutes. We'll see how much range we get. But just pull this out and point and load. Sense it. Plug it in. There we go. Got the green logo. It's charging.
Alright, so there's 30 minutes left in supercharging to max out the charge on the car.
We're at 310 right now.
Yeah, and then we went up 127 kilometers since we plugged in, and it's been about maybe 10 minutes.
So it looks like it registered the charge like Wednesday 20th 7/1, but it says $0. So maybe we just didn't charge it enough to afford to even charge us. It's that cheap.
120 some kilometer charge and got charged $0. Like, that's good.
Maybe I'll update soon. Who knows?
Way better than gas.
Dude, I'm like so sleepy. I'm running on 4 hours sleep right now. I feel like I'm living in the dream right now. Alright guys, so that's basically it for my new car video or vlog. Hope you guys liked the video. Seems like it's still showing $0 for supercharging, so I guess we're not getting charged right now. I'm not used to being like a car fanatic, but now I feel like I could be a car fanatic. Alright, so that's it. What do you have to say, Brendan? What do you think of the new
Sick car,
whip?
man.
Why do you look so sad?
Because I'm tired, because you forced me to come with you, and now it's 4 hours of sleep for all of us.
Because he doesn't have the car, that's why. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.